Hi guys. Uh, Today I am Dr. Vandana Baswal. I welcome you on my homeopathic clinic series. Here we talk about homeopathic disease, homeopathic treatment and disease. So today in my series we talk to about a very common thing that about homeopathy myth and myth about the homeopathy. The first myth is the homeopathy is a slow acting system of medicine. The action of medicine depends on whether the disease is acute or chronic. So acute disease are of recent origin of 1 or 2 day, like if we see in fever, cold, okay, diarrhea that develop very quickly within a day, within 1 or 2 day of durations. So this is called acute disease. If the homeopathic medicines are correctly selected on the basis of acute symptoms, that in this case the homeopathic act very quickly, and if correctly quickly, and it produce a very good result. And if in a chronic disease that is a duration of 6 months or more than 6 months, 1 year or 2 years, like in case of bronchitis, asthma, arthritis, diabetes, mellitus. These occur as a result of continuous suppression by other system of medicine when acute disease had not been treated properly. These types of chronic disease will definitely require some time for the cure. This is the complexity, duration and separation of disease make it time consuming to cure rather than the mode of healing, that is homeopathy. Now the next myth is homeopathy. Homeopathy and other systems of medicine cannot be taken simultaneously. So guys, another very common misconception that allopathic medicine cannot be taken with the homeopathic medicine. So, if a patient is suffering from chronic disease like high hypertension or high diabetes mellitus, in this cases, guys, you can take homeopathic medicine simultaneously with allopathic medicines, and gradually the allopathic medicines are withdrawn with the time of homeopathic medicines. So So the allopathic medicines are also is also a life-saving drugs, and it cannot be ignored by discontinuing this medicine immediately. So the best way is to reduce the dosage of allopathic medicine simultaneously with the homeopathic medicines. Now, the another myth is that diabetic cannot use pills, this sugar of pills, as they contain sugar. So guys, uh, we take sugar of pill as a vehicle of the medicines, and these pills have very minimal content of sugar, so it can be taken by the diabetic patient. It may not, it doesn't harm the condition of a diabetic patient. So you can take you can take homeopathic medicine in diabetic cases too. It does not make any difference to a diabetic patient. Now the another myth is this, that homeopathy increases the disease to a certain level if we take the medicine, or it aggravates the disease. The homeopathy medicines are taken on the basis of symptom similarity. The medicine which is given to cure a set of medicine is capable of producing similar symptom is healthy being primary action of the medicine may be observed by the patient as an aggravation of this disease, but in true sense it is only the homeopathic aggravation with a part of curative process, and it subsides by its own. If the indicated medicines are repeated more than required, it often increases the symptom which subsides on its own. At times, if the patient has been on steroid, now the other myth is the pathological and other investigations are not required in homeopathic treatment of medicines. So generally, guys, the homeopathic prescription we don't need to get the investigation done, but for diagnosis and prognosis and manage proper management of the case, every case should be investigated properly through all the necessary tests. All the necessary tests are should be done for any chronic or acute disease so that we can take the diagnosis and give proper treatment and management to the patient. So the investigations are also necessary in a homeopathic treatment too. Now the myth is that all the homeopathic medicines are same. So guys, all homeopathic medicines are not same. Only the vehicle is similar, that is the sugar of pills, the white globules you see is same, but we have 200 or 300 medicines of different names, that is derived from animal kingdom, plant kingdom, everything. And so there are many medicines. These are present in dilution, 20, 30 dilution, 200 dilution. So we have different and so many homeopathic medicine, but they are dispensed in the same vehicle, that is the sugar of pills. So it looks very similar, but actually the medicines are different. So that's all for today for about the homeopathic clinic series.